follower of mine recently asked me how to make Gula Melaka cake. So today I'll be sharing with you guys how to make my Gula Melaka butter cake. I was thinking whether to make this recipe into a chiffon cake or a butter cake, but I was really craving for something rich and buttery, so this is the recipe. To start off, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then in a mixing bowl, cream together softened butter, sugar and grated Gula Melaka until Gula Melaka is well dissolved and mixture is fluffy. You have to make sure that your Gula Melaka is grated properly. If you are going to chop it up, it's not going to dissolve well. Oh, by the way, I've replaced sugar with Gavia Natural Sweetener. If you're interested about this stevia sweetener, you can check it out their website in the description box below. Cracking the eggs one at a time. Make sure that all of the ingredients are in room temperature to prevent the mixture from curdling. Then drizzle in pandan extract. Throw in half of the dry ingredients, which consists of plain flour and baking powder. Then, slowly drizzle in milk while the mixture is running. Fold in the rest of the dry ingredients until the mixture is well combined. Stop mixing once there are no visible flour pockets. Transfer into a 7-inch square pan, grease and line with parchment paper. Bake it in the oven for about 55 to an hour. Let it cool for a while, then invert onto a rack to cool completely. The cake can store well in room temperature for about 5 days or wait in the fridge. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram at ZaTaYaYummy, and check out all my printable recipe at www.thezonghan.com. I see you guys soon. Bye bye!